Lost your AirPods case? No problem.
Hello, and welcome to this informative video. Today, we're addressing a problem that many AirPods users face at one point or another: losing the AirPods charging case. The good news is, yes, you can buy a replacement AirPods case if you have lost yours. This video will provide you with details on where and how to get it.
Can I really buy a replacement AirPods case?
Absolutely. If you've lost your AirPods case, there's no need to worry. Apple sells replacement charging cases for its AirPods. This means you can continue to use your AirPods without having to buy a new set.
What does a replacement AirPods case cost?
The cost of a replacement AirPods case depends on the specific model you need. As of my knowledge cutoff in September 2021, a standard replacement case for AirPods cost around $59, while a wireless charging case cost around $79. However, please check the current prices on Apple's website or at your local Apple store, as they may have changed.
How do I get my replacement AirPods case?
Getting a replacement AirPods case is as easy as visiting your local Apple store or authorized Apple service provider. You can also order one online through Apple's website. When you get the new case, you'll need to pair your AirPods with it, which is a simple process that your device will guide you through.
Are there any other options?
While buying a replacement case from Apple is the best option to ensure compatibility and maintain your warranty, there are also third-party cases available. Please note, however, that quality and compatibility can vary with these products, so proceed with caution. Losing your AirPods case isn't as big a problem as it might seem at first. With Apple providing replacement cases, you can quickly get back to enjoying your music and calls. Remember to always check current prices and consider the options before purchasing. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in solving your AirPods dilemma.